What's up, gang, and hello, friends. A couple of weeks ago, I asked you for some TV and movie snack suggestions to make for the channel, and you helped me solve the mystery of what I'm gonna make next. And I got one from The Healthy Habit that I just thought would be great to try. I'll give you a hint. They're people and dog friendly. If you said Scooby snacks, then zoinks, you're absolutely right. If you haven't seen Scooby-Doo, what are you doing? Have you even lived? If you have seen Scooby-Doo, you know that Scooby snacks are the only way to get Shaggy and their namesake, Scooby-Doo, to do any kind of mystery and be involved at all, aka be the distractions. I did do the research to make sure all of the ingredients in my Scooby snacks would be safe for dogs, and if you want to zhuzh them up by adding your dog's favorite vegetables or fruit into the mix, I would highly recommend splitting the batch in half and just putting everything that your dog loves into the batch. Maybe even try putting a little peanut butter in there. We know how much they love that. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and be sure to like this video if you end up giving it a try or you like what I do. I will be trying to make Scooby's dog tag, but of course any shape will do. Make sure that they're small enough for your pup to eat. Place the cutout cookies onto your baking tray and bake them at 325 degrees for 8 to 12 minutes. Make sure to cool them completely before sharing them with your furry friend. Thanks for joining me for this video, and comment down below with other suggestions from TV and movie desserts and foods that I can make for you. If you want to try making Scooby snacks of your own, head over to my Ko-Fi, which will be linked down below, where you can find the recipe and definitely show me the results of your cookies. For now, I'll talk to you later. Eat well and travel often. Bye. Like Zoink Scoos. This is my best Shaggy attempt.